Good day, everyone. I am Alexa Mirawalio, and I'm here to introduce our final project for statistical analysis with software application. For this project, we were tasked to produce a financial statement analysis using Excel, where we applied real-world company data to perform financial analysis, generate summaries using Excel tools, and present our findings through a clear and interactive dashboard. For our analysis, we selected three holding companies: Anglo-Philippine Holdings Corporation, DMCI Holdings Incorporated, and BHI Holdings Incorporated. We chose holding companies because they manage diverse investments across multiple industries, which allowed us to explore different financial structures, risk profiles, and performance trends. Their consolidated financial statements also gave us a broader view of how parent companies operate and allocate resources across subsidiaries. For our first finding, we focus on profitability. Based on the financial data from 2022 to 2024, DMCI Holdings Incorporated stands out as the most profitable company with an average profit margin of 30%. This means that for every 100 pesos in revenue, DMCI retains around 30 pesos as net income, showing strong cost control and operational efficiency. In comparison, Anglo-Philippine Holdings Corporation and BHI Holdings Incorporated posted lower average profit margins of 12% and 9% respectively. DMCI's consistent profitability, supported by stable revenues and well-managed expenses, makes it the most financially efficient firm among the three.
Good day. I am Angela Pasha and I'm here to explain which company has the strongest financial efficiency. Based on the data from 2022 to 2024, DMCI Holdings Incorporation stands out as the most financially efficient with an average return assets of 14.84% and return on equity of 27.24%. These high returns show that the MCI effectively converts its assets and shareholders' equity into profit. In contrast, Anglo-Philippine Holdings and BHI Holdings recorded very low and unstable returns with average ROEs below 0.30%. This makes DMCI the strongest performer in terms of profitability and shareholder value.
Good day. I'm Lorraine Esmer and I'm here to explain how revenues trended over time among the three companies. From 2022 to 2024, Anglo-Philippine Holdings Corporation experienced a sharp and continuous decline in revenues, dropping from 959.3 million pesos to 259.3 million pesos. DMCI Holdings Incorporation also saw a gradual decrease, with revenues falling from 142.6 million pesos to 102.4 million pesos. In contrast, BHI Holdings Incorporations maintained a slow but steady growth, increasingly slightly from 3 million pesos in 2022 to 3 million pesos in 2024. These trends highlight the performance gap, with Anglo and DMCI facing declining revenue streams, while BHI shows consistent through minimal growth.
So good day, I'm Ginaline Arzabal and I'm here to discuss the financial risk observed in three companies: the Anglo-Philippine Holdings Corporation, BHI Holding Incorporation, and DMCI Holdings Incorporation. Each of these firms faces a unique challenges in terms of profitability, liquidity, and operational efficiency. To begin with, Anglo-Philippine Holdings Corporation exhibit a serious profitability and solvency risk in its negative returns and overall decline in performance, despite maintaining relatively strong short-term liquidity. In contrast, BHI Holding Incorporation remains modestly profitable. However, it struggles with liquidity issues and demonstrates low efficiency in utilizing its asset in and equity. Meanwhile, the DMCI Holdings Incorporation stand out as a financially strong, yet it is highly exposed to market risk because of its investment in construction, real estate, and mining sector that are particularly sensitive to inflation, commodity price fluctuation, and economic changes. In summary, while each company operates under different circumstances, they face distinct financial risks that must be carefully managed to ensure financial stability and sustainable long-term growth.
To conclude our analysis, here are our recommendations based on the findings. Each company faces distinct financial challenges that require strategic action. Anglo-Philippine Holdings Corporation must urgently improve its profitability and asset management to restore financial health. BHI Holdings Incorporated should enhance its liquidity and operational efficiency to support long-term growth. Meanwhile, the MCI Holdings Incorporated, though the strongest performer, must stay alert to market-driven risk and continue optimizing its cost structures and capital allocation. Overall, strengthening financial discipline and strategic planning will be essential for all three companies to minimize risk and achieve sustainable success. And that concludes our financial statement analysis featuring the three companies we selected: the Anglo-Philippine Holdings Corporation, the MCI Holdings Incorporated, and BHI Holdings Incorporated. We hope we were able to clearly explain our findings and recommendations based on the data from 2022 to 2024. And that will be all. Thank you.